Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. So IMethod sent me another product to try, y'all. I am so excited. First they sent me the stamp, which I used that today, and now they've sent me their blush stick. Look at this. Is this just not adorable? He blushed. So like I said, the brand is IMethod Beauty. Now you can get IMethod Beauty from Amazon. Isn't that great? I love Amazon. And right now it's $22.97 on Amazon. And they have 4 different blush colors. You can get a matte nude pink, a matte rose nude, peachy coral red, or what I have, which is a sheer red. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. It's in a tin, y'all. I love stuff that comes in tins. I don't know. That's just, I guess, my old school me. So that's what it looks like inside. Look, y'all, there is a little tips and tricks leaflet in here to help you put it on. Oh, so good. So good. So that little leaflet actually says that you can use this on your lips, on your eyes, and on your cheeks, which is where I'm going to put it today. Very cool. And this says all over face blush color number 2 hot cherry sheer red. And y'all, look at this. It has a little blending brush on this side. Is that not cool? Does that not remind you of another, maybe contour stick from another brand? Ooh. So I can't wait. Let's look at this color. Okay. Oh, can y'all see that? Look how beautiful that is. All right, let me put it on my hand. Look at that, y'all. Is that, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Look at that. Ooh, I gotta put it on my cheeks. I got to. Y'all, this is lovely. It's very buildable, so I could even layer it up more if I wanted to. It does blend out really nicely, and it is such a pretty color. Look at that. Ooh. Oh my goodness, y'all. This brand I like. I am so, oh my goodness. I can't even speak. I just got to try it on my lips. So I just kind of wiped off what I had on there. Let's just put it on. My lips are pretty still red, okay? Just keep that in mind. I like it. Oh, it's cute. Maybe not with the pink I have on and purple up here, but this is a gorgeous color. Look at that. Oh, I will be so excited to put it all over and see what it looks like. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think. Thank you again, IMethod, for sending me this product for review. I really like it. It's good. You did good. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.